where to enter your class.
I think I found my ability. Ito na. Ayan na. I'm getting this. Look at that. Oh my God. Ito na. Ito na. Ayan guys.
Ay, wow!
So, sana practice natin yun. Sa exercise natin, you should learn where to enter your class. Pag-aralan niyo yung categories. Kasi like for example, isang halaman, pwedeng ipasok like variegated this plant. Marami pwedeng pasukan na. Pwedeng aroy, variegated. So, kailangan pag-aralan niyo kung saan siya mamamayagpag o magiging more valuable. Okay? So, yung mga tatay,